crops in an area is known as crop. The growing of crop is known as agriculture farming. In this, today I would like to explain how to grow paddy. The paddy, it means rice. The rice, it is the most essential and prime crop in our India. This is grown in tropical wetlands, which is also grown in cooler temperatures, regions like China, Japan and Australia, etc. This rice is being grown in 7 series. The first series is preparation of soil. Preparation of soil. Firstly, the soil is prepared by plugging and after that it is flooded. By flooding, the old weeds and tiny insects are being decomposed in soil and it releases nutrients in the soil. It makes the soil nutrient-full. By plugging, the soil is loosened and it is easy to pass air and water in the soil. Next, sowing of seeds. Sowing of seeds. It is an important task in growing of paddy. The production of paddy depends upon the quality of seeds. So we want to know that the seeds are healthy or not, we can do an activity. Take some. The seeds which are sinking are healthy seeds and the seeds which are floating, they are unhealthy seeds. They are used for eating or the farmers sell them. These sinking seeds are in areas there is no moisture contained in the soil. So the seeds are sprouted and after that they are sprinkled. The process of sprinkling these seeds are known as broadcasting. The stage might have to reach 20 to 25 days to grow in a big crop like this. And after that these plants are being plugged out and after some days these plants are being transplanted. The process of transplanting is known as transplanting the crop. Transplanting. Next process is applying of manure. Applying of manure. The manure which mainly contains 3 chemicals. First one is potash, phosphorus and nitrogen. These 3 are in every manure, in artificial and natural. The manures are classified into 2 types. The first type is artificial manure. The artificial manure, which is also known as chemical fertilizers. The chemical fertilizers, they are made up of chemicals which are, examples are DDT, BHC. DDT means dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane and BHC means benzahexachloride. These both are used in some areas with farmers. Next, natural manure. The natural manure. These are also known as biofertilizers. These are used in some areas. The natural manures came from nature. The decomposed plants and animals are being mixed in soil and decomposed by 2 bacteria, azoto and nitric bacteria. These both bacteria decomposes the plant and animal waste and make the soil fertile, and the manure is mixed with soil. You know that in 1960, Raquel Carson, she wrote a book known as Silent Spring. She pointed that in the book the dangerous effects of pesticides which are being in plants, diseases in plants. Next, irrigation. Irrigation, it means the watering of plants or crops is known as irrigation. The paddy which needs high quantity of water in our India. Next, weeds. The weeds which are the unwanted plant which is grown in a crop is known as weeding. The examples of paddy weeds are Varipilla Geddi and Dharaka Bhogi, etc. These are grown between the plant of paddy. The common example of weeds are Parthenium. The Parthenium which is imported from Australia to India with wheat. Next, harvesting. Harvesting. The plant which is matured and made in a big crop plant is known as harvesting. These are being cutted with sickle or machineries. After cutting, they are being dried under sunlight for 2 to 3 days. It makes the grains dry, and after that it is threshed and then winnowed in a machine or by hands. Next, storage. Storing. The grains are being threshed and winnowed. After that, these grains are separated by the process of winnowing, and after that these are stored in the cold storage room for a long time. The farmers are waiting for the reasonable price to sell them, or they use for other crops. So these are the 7 series which use it in paddy. Thank you for giving